Hello friends! Is your engine running rough, shaking, or misfiring randomly? If your check engine light is on, and the scanner shows code P0300, this means your engine is experiencing multiple or random misfires. If ignored, it can lead to poor performance, bad fuel economy, and even engine damage. But don't worry. In this video we'll explain what P0300 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0300? P0300 stands for Random or Multiple Cylinder Misfire Detected. This means that the powertrain control module has detected misfires occurring across multiple cylinders, but without a specific pattern. Common symptoms of P0300. Check engine. Light on, rough idling or shaking engine, loss of power and poor acceleration, increased fuel consumption, excessive exhaust emissions, or backfiring. If you notice any of these symptoms, let's locate the key components and fix the issue. To diagnose P0300, focus on these key components: ignition coils and spark plugs, located on top of each cylinder. These components ignite the air-fuel mixture. Crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, usually found near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. It monitors engine rotation speed and position. Camshaft position sensor, or CMP, typically located on the cylinder head, it helps synchronize ignition timing. Mass airflow sensor, or MAF, found between the air filter and throttle body. It measures incoming air. Throttle position sensor, or TPS, located on the throttle body. It helps regulate air intake. Fuel injectors, mounted on the intake manifold or cylinder head, they deliver fuel into the combustion chamber. Oxygen sensors, or O2 sensors, installed before and after the catalytic converter, they monitor fuel mixture and emissions. Vacuum hoses and intake manifold, found around the engine, they control air intake and pressure balance. A fault in any of these components can cause P0300. Here are the common causes of P0300. Faulty spark plugs or ignition coils. Worn out or damaged spark plugs or coils cause misfires. Bad fuel injectors. Clogged or malfunctioning injectors can lead to uneven fuel delivery. Weak fuel pump or fuel pressure regulator. If fuel pressure is too low, the engine won't get enough fuel. Vacuum leaks. Cracked or loose vacuum hoses allow unmetered air into the engine, causing misfires. Dirty or faulty mass airflow, or MAF, sensor. A malfunctioning MAF sensor can send incorrect air data to the PCM. Crankshaft or camshaft position sensor issues. These sensors control ignition timing and fuel injection. If faulty, the engine may misfire. Excessive carbon buildup in intake valves, restricts airflow and causes incomplete combustion. Exhaust system restrictions. A clogged catalytic converter can disrupt exhaust flow and lead to misfires. Faulty PCM or wiring issues. Electrical faults can cause communication errors, leading to misfires. Here's how to fix P0300. Step 1. Check spark plugs and ignition coils. Replace if worn out. Step 2. Inspect and clean fuel injectors. Replace if clogged. Step 3. Measure fuel pressure to check for a weak fuel pump or faulty regulator. Step 4. Scan and test crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, and camshaft position sensor, or CMP. Step 5. Inspect vacuum hoses and intake manifold for leaks. Step 6. Clean or replace the mass airflow, or MAF sensor. Step 7. Examine the catalytic converter and exhaust system for blockages. Step 8. Reset the error code and test drive the vehicle. P0300 is a serious issue that can damage your engine if not fixed quickly. Diagnosing the problem early will save you from costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P02675, cylinder 11 injector circuit high, and P0276, cylinder 6 contribution or balance fault. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.